What guest expects from you? They expect you to be good, your positive attitude, you being reliable, you being professional image, and you deliver a promise. What you say is what you deliver, and give them a value for their money because they have arrived to your outlet, so they want to enjoy the best of your services. And let them know and let them carry a good memories once they finish dining at your place or finish using your services, and help them taking the photos, help them taking gifts home, and assist their kids. You can do so many things for them where they think their expectations are met.
Yeah. So the customer expects not only the positive attitude, minimum service, professional image. So, sir, professional image, does it mean the grooming as well?
Definitely, definitely. This is how you pose in front of the customer. You look well groomed, you look clean, you look very professional. You are wearing your name badge, you are wearing a bow tie, necktie, appropriate, approved attire. And if you are a serving person, you will have no tattoos on your hand, and you will not have hanging jewelry, you will not have open hairs. So all these are called professional image because it shows a good brand value to the customer.
So, sir, I have one question. So, let's say the customer will expect different things from different level of brands. Let's say if we are not a five-star
Yes,
brand,
please.
a two-star brand.
Yes, please.
So,
Yes,
will
please.
they expect different things from us, or they expect all the same things?
No, 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 no. It depends on the brand. It depends on the hotel or restaurant or resort you work for, because all of them they have different SOP. Something is acceptable in one side and other side is not acceptable. As I say, example, you have tattoo in your hand, you have tattoo on your neck, or you have tattoo at the back of your ear, or you have bleached head hair. Some have mustache, some have beard, and some are wearing jewelry in the service hand, some are wearing perfume. So some companies they allow, some they don't. So it is depending on the brand that you're working for, but basically all these things are hygienically measured. Most times the perfumes are not allowed, nail polish is not allowed, and you have to have a small short nails. You have to have, of course, no facial hair,
Mhm.
no bleach in the head hairs, no coloring. So this is enhancing the good brand value, because when you are dressed well, you look well, customer will look at you, and also he will receive good vibes that he has come to a place which is standardized. People are wearing dressed properly, they are, all have a name badge, they have a technique of speaking, they have a technique of standing, they have a technique of taking down the order, they have a technique of repeating the order. So all this adds value finally, because that's how brand is determined. Because if you go to the best places, they have these practices already running in place. You don't need to train staff anymore, they already know step 1, step 2, step 3. And once they have finished order taking, they repeat, they ask question, they clarify. So this is called your professional image.
But these are things are minimum in any setting, whether it's a low one-star property or a five-star property, or whether we are working in a bank,
Yes, please.
we are working
You
in
are
a
right. It is depending on the brand that you're working for. Yes, you are
so
very right. The learning and development managers are responsible for implementing the standards. First, the standards are written, then they are approved. So we need to agree on what we want to implement in our working area. After that, it is coached, it is trained to the people, those who have to actually function on those SOPs, and it becomes way of life. So this is how they perform.
okay. But the minimum in any industry, the minimum guest expects from us is the positive attitude, reliability,
Yes,
value for money, and delivery of our promise. The
very
professional
true.
may depend on the brand that you are working, but as a minimum, we need to be hygienic and we need to be comfortable in providing the services. So that is what is the summary of this discussion.